Guys, this is ornamental plants used in beautification of the environment. You can see how beautiful. Oh my God.
See, they are trying to set up another one.
Huh?
They are trying to set up another one happening.
Yeah. You can see how beautiful this is. This is nice. So, if anyone knows the name of any of these, feel free to drop it in the comment section for me. This is ornamental plant that is used in beautification of the environment. It's very beautiful, and it also makes the environment to be very cool. Ornamental plants. Yeah, they use it to design this waterfall. Indoor in beautification. So ornamental plant. So let's enjoy the world of plant together. You can see how beautiful